In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Calendly from your Outlook integration in 2025. We know how important it is to have a clutter-free digital workspace, and sometimes integrations that seemed helpful initially may no longer serve your needs. Let's dive right in and simplify your calendar. First, go to the Calendly website, your go-to for online appointment scheduling. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner where you'll spot the login option. Click on that and you'll be taken to a sign-in page. If you've integrated your Calendly with a Google account, the most straightforward approach is to click on Continue with Google. It's fast, convenient, and ensures you're securely logged in with just a few clicks. Once you've logged in, find your way to your account page by clicking on your profile icon or name, usually on the top right of the interface, and select Integrations and Apps from the drop-down menu. This section houses all your connected applications and integration utilities that work with Calendly. In this list, you'll see a range of different integrations. To find the Outlook integration quickly, use the search function or simply scroll through the list. Look for something related to Outlook for workflows and give it a click. This step is where you'll manage any integrations linked to your Outlook. Now it's time to focus on your task at hand, which is disconnecting Calendly from Outlook. Once you've accessed the Outlook integration, you'll notice options indicating it's currently connected. Find that Currently Connected tab or button. The design might differ slightly from one version to another, but the label stays pretty consistent across the board. Finally, it's as simple as clicking Disconnect. This action dismantles the bridge between your Calendly account and Outlook, ensuring that they no longer synchronize or share data. This step is crucial if you want to prevent any future overlaps or confusion between these platforms, especially if you are changing to a different scheduling software or merely streamlining your digital tools. And just like that, you've successfully removed Calendly from your Outlook integrations. Remember, doing this won't delete your Calendly account or clear scheduled events. It simply stops any sync with Outlook moving forward. If you ever reconsider, you can always reintegrate with just a couple of clicks. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Be sure to check out other videos in our series for more practical tech tips. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to leave a comment below or visit our website for step-by-step written guides. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your digital interfaces.